English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 2. Basic abbreviations 2. I don't know. Native speakers shorten it even more. What does it actually sound like? Dunno. Dunno. I got you. The pronunciation changes in conversation. What do people usually say? Gotcha. Gotcha. Come on. It gets even shorter in fast speech. How would a native say it? Come on. Come on. What are you doing? The words naturally blend together. How does it really sound? Whatcha doing? Whatcha doing? How are you doing? It sounds much shorter than the textbook version. What's the natural pronunciation? How ya doing? How ya doing? Did you see it? The sounds merge together. How do natives say it? Did you see it? Did you see it? Do you want one? It changes in fast conversation. What does it sound like? Do you want one? Do you want one? Did you know? Spoken English shortens it. What's the everyday version? Did you know? Did you know? Don't you want to come? Native speakers connect the sounds. What do they actually say? Don't you wanna come? Don't you wanna come? Won't you help me? The pronunciation changes quite a bit. What's the natural way? Wantcha help me? Wantcha help me? I bet you know. It is shortened in conversation. How would a native say it? Betcha no. Betcha no. See you later. Even the ending gets shortened. What do people usually say? See ya. See ya. Thank you. It changes in casual situations. What sounds more natural? Thank ya. Thank ya. Yes. Native speakers often give shorter replies. What do you hear most often? Yep. Yep. No. Conversation uses a softer form. How would a native say it? Nope. Nope. Dunno. Dunno. Gotcha. Gotcha. Come on. Come on. Whatcha doing? Whatcha doing? How ya doing? How ya doing? Did you see it? Did you see it? Do you want one? Do you want one? Did you know? Did you know? Don't you wanna come? Don't you wanna come? Wantcha help me? Wantcha help me? Betcha no. Betcha no. See ya. See ya. Thank ya. Thank ya. Yep. Yep. Nope. Nope. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.